Introducing the Live Motion Simulator in MRC Studio. What is Live Motion Simulator? A feature that simulates robot motion, no hardware needed. Why use Live Motion Simulator? Easily visualize robot motions in a 3D environment. When to use Live Motion Simulator? Great for offline programming, training, or troubleshooting. Who benefits? Anyone needing to simulate an application, including R&D or those waiting on hardware. From the main screen, click Monitor, then select Graphic Monitor. Pre-programmed motion is ready to run. Graphic Monitor provides real-time robot motion simulation for precise verification. Please contact our product experts for additional information.